Want to increase the resolution of your image with Photoshop? Today I'm going to show you how to double your photo resolution in just single click. If you're not subscribed to the TroubleShooter yet, do it right now. We have much to talk about. Let's get started. Keep watching. First, you should download .atn file. You can find the download link in the description. Now open Photoshop. Want to download and install Photoshop 2021 for free? You can watch how in my previous video. Please find the link in the description. Okay, let's get into the topic. Now we should install .atn file first. Before that, you should get the Actions window. Just follow my steps. To get the Actions window, first go to Windows tab and check Actions window. Or you can just press Alt plus F9 in your keyboard. Now we can import the downloaded .atn file. Just click this and click Load Actions. And select the downloaded .atn file and click Load. Now you can see the Actions pack is installed. Now open the image. Let's see the image resolution first. It is 500 into 500 pixels. So let's double the image resolution by a single click. You just want to select this and click the play button. Here we go. Now go to Layers and click Flattened Image. It is almost over. Now we can check the resolution of the image again. It is 1000 into 1000 pixels. Cheers. We did it. And hope you have enjoyed the video. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit thumbs up right now. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon for the latest updates. Also, the TroubleShooter like to hear from you. Does this method easy? Let me know. Leave a comment in the comments section down below. Thank you guys for watching this video and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.